Amazulu FC midfielder Bongani Zungu has opened up about one of the most crushing moments of his professional career, a failed transfer to Spanish La Liga outfit RCD Mallorca that left him disillusioned with football. The former Bafana star, affectionately known as Benton, was on the verge of becoming just the seventh South African to feature in Spain's top-flight league. At the time, Zungu was on the books of French side Amiens SC and had caught the eye of Mallorca during their 2019-2020 La Liga campaign as the newly promoted club battled relegation. In a candid interview with Farpost, Zungu revealed that he had agreed to personal terms and successfully completed his medicals in Spain, only for the deal to fall through at the 11th hour due to a last-minute decision by Amiens. As the deal was done, I went to Mallorca, did the medicals Friday morning after arriving Thursday night. We had to rush because La Liga offices were closing at 12. I passed the medicals. I was even sitting with the coach and the sporting director, talking about how I'd fit into their plans. However, just as the final paperwork was being prepared, Amiens president Bernard Janin pulled the plug on the move despite clearance from the club's sporting director John Williams. The sporting director sent a message that the president didn't want me to leave. I was shocked. I had already mentally committed to the move. Being under contract, I had no choice but to respect their decision, but it broke my heart. Zungu admitted the emotional toll was heavy. With his family still back home in South Africa, the isolation in France became unbearable. Upon his return to Amiens, supporters who had learned of his attempt to leave the club greeted him with jeers and boos, deepening the sense of betrayal and despair. And so that was the moment I started falling out of love with football. I've never really spoken about it until now, but it changed a lot in how I view the game and the people involved in it. Had the move gone through, Zungu would have joined an elite group of South Africans to grace the La Liga stage, including legends such as Quinton Fortune, Atletico Madrid, Benny McCarthy, Celta Vigo, Tsepo Masilela, GTF, Nisif Morris, Recreativo Racing, Santander, and both Sisu Motawung and David Nyati, Tenerife. Though years have passed, the sting of that missed opportunity still lingers. Yet through perseverance, Zungu continues to ply his trade in the Premier Soccer League, testament to his resilience in the face of career-shaking disappointment. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.